everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi. Soap stories and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-homecoming. Ngiyazi guys mabuyi weekend sesin-update ukuthi yini ongase expect ke emidlalweni yakho ke oyithandayo. Niyazi last week guys it was season finale and the season finale uphele ngempilo ke kaSifiso leaving behind uZethu kanye ke noMamkwanyane beyabafelokazi. Angazi ke guys ukuthi ke uZethu uba umfelokazi kanjani ekubeni kade sekwenze kwa clear ukuthi she wants nothing to do with ke uSifiso but ke kuleli week guys kuyi funeral and simbona uZethu wearing black clothes. I'm not sure ukuthi uyigqoke as umuntu oze kwi funeral or uyigqoke as umfelokazi, I don't know. But guys what will happen ukuthi ke uMamkwanyana ngendlela azodineka ngakhona and yena noZethu bazolwa phambi kwabantu baxabane and uMamkwanyana uzoshaya ulabhabha wempama. Yazi impama ekuthiwa nenkosi phakathi eshaye kuZethu because uZethu sivele wakhuluma ukuthi there is why uSifiso akushiya wena. So uMamkwanyana guys fought back to with ke uZethu. Enye into ke ezokwenzeka ukuthi ke uMamkwanyana guys she wants a revenge kuShobane. Akanandaba ukuthi it was self defense but ufuna i revenge guys laphana ke kuShobane ukuthi ke ubulele umnyeni wakhe. So yeah guys zihlukene ke inkulumo ke la egudleni zokuxhumana with regard to uZethu nendaba kaSifiso ukuthi uZethu yini esimenza ukuthi ke manje ngazuthi ke uyagrieva ekubeni kade ehlukene ke no Sifiso. So abanye ke bathi side likaZethu bathi ke uZethu never stopped loving uSifiso. The only thing she hated was the traditional gift kaSifiso and that he will never be hers only. But guys ungene le relationship evelazi ukuthi uSifiso unomuntu wasethi ke uShobane was only for her just to make uSifiso jealous. She knew uShobane would do anything to get her back, but now her heart wants uSifiso. You don't just get over someone and immediately be in love with another. She was trying so hard to forget about uSifiso. Wasethi omunye yena ke she is tired of how show making uMamkwanyana a villain. Her feelings matters too. Lokho kunguZethu bekhalela uSifiso for ini vele. So guys kuhlukene imbono abanye basesadini laMamkwanyana abanye basesadini likaZethu ukuthi uZethu wakwenza kwaclear ukuthi akasamfuni uSifiso. So like why is she grieving guys? And again sizozwa kuthiwa ke they are preparing for a wedding. On the other side guys uShobane is sinking with depression and uZethu is not present. Sizwa ke ubhuti wakhe uNgaraji mtshela ukuthi sisi be present in Shobane's life because you might lose naye after ke ulahlekelwe ke uSifiso. So yeah guys, that bring us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.